Hi. So, happy to be with you through this lovely video camera and review a bit of numbers in Esperanto and also talk about verb tenses today. Should be pretty quick, and then you'll have some textbook time. So just quickly start by reviewing numbers. I'll hold up a finger and you guys can stay as a class what it is, and then I'll repeat it just to sort of double check you. So, uno, due, tri, quar, quin, you know it's next, ses, sep, oc, now, dec. Now, here I've got a couple of numbers and the kai, that means and you know that 2 is du and 10 is dec, and that the order you say them in matters, because if you want 10 in the tens column and 2 in the twos, you'd say them in that order, dec du. And if you want 2 times 10 in the tens column, you would say du dec. So if you were to read that out loud, you'd say dec du kai du dec. So what I'm going to do is show you some equations, and I will call on you. I've got my random chart all set up, and I will ask you to read them and give the sum. And of course I'll give you a little bit of time in between, but I would pause it after I say every person. So, uno, Jojo. Dec tri, kai, quardec du, quindec, queen. Du, Claire Bushy. Dudec uno, kai, quindec ses, sepdec sep. Interesting. Tri, Maya. Sesdec oc, kai, dec uno. Ocdec now. Claire Lane, quar. Dudec quar, kai, quardec uno, sesdec queen. Queen Anna. Tridec du, kai, sesdec queen, naudec sep. Ses, Charlotte. Dec queen, kai, ocdec du, naudec sep. Sep, Nolka. Just a sec, make sure you can see it. There you go. Dudec du, kai, quindec quar, sepdec ses. Oc, Hannah. Tridec now, kai, quardec, sepdec now. Now, Fiona. Quardec du, kai, quardec quar, ocdec ses. Dec, Chelsea. Dec queen, kai, dudec sep, quardec du. So that's the review of numbers. Now just to review tenses really quickly. I've talked about this once. Some of you may or may not remember, but that's why we review. So here you see mi estás Mi estis. Excuse me. Mi estis, mi estos. Mi estas is the present. Mi estis is the past. And mi estos is the future. Now, you may remember that when we asked how old you were, we asked, Kiom vi aĝas? Kiom vi aĝas? So, how would you ask, how old were you in the past? Pause. Kiom vi aĝis? How would you ask, how old will you be in the future? Kiom vi aĝos? And then remember, for it to say how old you are, you use the word jara. Like, I am 10 years old would be mi estas 10 jara. So, you've seen for several days, we haven't been able to do it. A little drawing of my lovely nephew Pablo, born in 2000. And what I have is a number of years. And pretending it is that year, well, referring to that year, I would like you to ask him how old he either is, was, or will be. So, for number 1, it's going to be Claire Bushy asking Claire Lane. And whoever answers will be questioning the next person as we go kind of around in a circle. So for Unu, Claire Bushy questioning Claire Lane. Pause. So the question, Kiom vi aĝas? The answer, mi estas 11 jara. For number 2, Claire Lane questioning Charlotte. Kiom vi aĝis? Mi estis 1 jara. For 3, it's going to be Charlotte questioning Hannah. Kiom vi aĝis? Mi estis 9 jara. For number 4, Hannah questioning Chelsea. Kiom vi aĝis? Mi estis 7 jara. For 5, it'll be Chelsea questioning Jojo. Kiom vi aĝis? Mi estis 5 jara. Okay, now we're shifting a bit. For number 6, it's going to be Jojo questioning Maya. Kiom vi aĝos? Mi estos 20 jara. Number 7, Maya questioning Anna. Kiom vi aĝos? Mi estos 33 jara. Next, it will be Anna questioning Nolka. That's number 8. Kiom vi aĝos? Mi estos 47 jara. For number 9, Nolka questioning Fiona. Kiom vi aĝos? Mi estos 59 jara. And for number 10, Fiona questioning Claire Bushy. Kiom vi aĝos? Mi estos 68 jara. Okay, I hope that went well. If you have any questions, email me. And enjoy your textbook time. Take care. Miss you. Bye-bye.